Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Crochet World. This is a crochet hat, size is 5 to 6 years. I am using double ply yarn and one 4.5 mm crochet hook and two buttons. This is big size buttons I have used. One craft scissor. First you make one slip knot. Then make 5 foundation chains, 5 or 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I am join it together with slip stitch. And make a small ring and make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch, make 14 more double crochet stitch in this round. I have completed my first round. Now I am making 3 chain, count as a first front post stitch, and then I am going to the first 3 chain, count as a front post stitch. Then I am making one more front post stitch, and now I am going to the back post stitch. So go to the next stitch and make one front post and another one back post stitch. You make one front post and one back post stitch in every stitch in this round. You make total 13 stitches in this round. This is a back post stitch. Make one front post stitch, and now I am making back post stitch in the same stitch. Repeat it in this round. I have completed my second round. Now I am making 3 chain, count as a first back front post stitch. Now I am making one back post stitch in the next stitch. Then I am going to the, you make one more back post stitch in the same stitch. I have 2 back post stitch. Now I am making one front post stitch in the next stitch. And now I am going to the next back post stitch. Make 2 back post stitch in the next stitch. You repeat the same back post stitch. Now I am going to the next stitch and make 1 front post stitch. And then I am going to the next stitch with 2 back post stitch. You repeat this same stitch in this round. This is a third round. I have completed my third round. I have increased stitches. Then this is the fourth round. Make 1 front post stitch in the very first stitch, then make 1 back post stitch in the next stitch, 2 back post stitch in the next stitch, then after that you make 1 front post stitch in the next stitch, then you go to the next stitch, make only 1 back post stitch. In the next stitch you make 2 back post stitch. You increase your stitches in this way, and then you make 1 front post stitch. You repeat the same stitch in this round. You repeat it in this round. I have completed my fourth round, and yeah, and then you make only 1 front post stitch in the very first stitch. Then you make 3 back post stitch in the next 3 stitches. You do not increase any stitches in this round. You repeat this stitch in this round. I have completed my total 8 to 12 rounds, and I have changed my color of yarn. I am using 3 color of thick yarn or double ply yarn. I have repeat the same pattern all around. my head, and this is a bottom part or last part of this head. So make you divide it, your cap it into two equal parts, and you work only the front part of this head. So make one chain, count as a first single crochet stitch, make one single crochet stitch in the every stitch of the front part of this head. Only one single crochet stitch in each stitch. You do not increase any stitches. And now I have completed my single crochet stitch in the half of this head, half portion of this head, and now I am turn off from this point. Make one chain and turn it, and make one single crochet stitch in each stitch. I have completed my 5 to 6 rounds of the single crochet stitch. This is a back side portion and this is the front side. And now you attach your buttons. You take two buttons. I am using wooden buttons for this head, and you fold it in this way and attach it with your buttons, and use craft needle for attaching this button. You attach two buttons in two sides of this head, and this is a very simple head pattern. You can make it easily, and this is a best gift in New Year for loved ones. Thanks for watching my videos, and subscribe my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram, and visit my Facebook page, The Crochet World. Thanks for watching. Thank you.